or if New York want link me and finish talk about the Popcaan situation, cause it gone crazy, you know. Zine, it gone crazy, and some of Popcaan fans them a cuss me. Me never call Popcaan name. Anybody where I mean, here's a Popcaan sister did up on the live, and some people screenshot it and I show me what she say, suck on the mother and rape. But I don't think it's me she talking. I must New York she attack or somebody else or somebody will comment. If me didn't know say Squid did up on the line, would I call her and join the live because she can't answer me if you got suck my mother. I mean never this her brother. I mean never call her brother name. And New York call her brother name. You understand what I say? Me wrong or me right, people? Me wrong or me right? Wanna tell me the truth? Me wrong or me right? Me they call Popcaan name? No, me never call Popcaan name. Is New York call Popcaan name? Zim? Not me. So, I could me Squid attack. And me and Squid are bridging. Me and Squid never have a bad day. Alone me and nobody in a chat. Me and Squid good, so me not think I'm in she attack. I remember say when my mother dead, me respect my mother, you know. So, I me never try disrespect no artist mother or nothing. You understand? So, me not think I'm in she tell say, if you got something mother. Me not think I'm in, me think I'm more like I go to New York. I go to somebody will comment. But me not think I'm in. Zin, you know, one of me call Squid. Alright, let me try call Squid.
What's up?
New York.
What's up?
Don't lie to me today. I know that you and Marvin is in the same place. Do not lie to me today.
I'm in my truck.
Marvin just sent me a request a while ago. Same time you sent me a request. Do not, I don't care where in your truck I do. I know Marvin they're near you. So don't fuck around today. You see, if you're not going to be honest, me don't want to talk to you. Because you lied to me yesterday and the two are in the same fucking place.
We were not in the same place.
Yes, you were. And don't lie to me. Don't fucking lie.
How you feel? I mean, that's how you feel. We were not in
New York. Me know, sir. Only in the same place.
now, not together.
Him there somewhere near you. But everything good.
No, he
you know,
not.
we know something that's...
Marvin does not live near me. He does not live
You know, him just send me a request. You know, him just send me a request. Same time you send the request. You know that?
Well, he probably thinking what I'm thinking.
And that's why your phone did that echo yesterday because Marvin did up on the live while you did up on the live with me and the phone them they're close. That's why they echo. You notice you're not echo today?
I'm on live, my phone echo. Cause I
No. New York, you're talking to a genius here. You're talking to somebody very intelligent. Okay?
You really not a genius, but go ahead.
Want your headphone?
Nothing.
Who is what name Spence? Who is Spence?
That's my ex.
Your ex or your name still there?
No, that's my ex.
So how him I say him want back the $6,000 chain when him buy you and him want back him money when him use the back to your breast.
Alright, so let me tell you what happened with that. So he came out of jail September. We reunited November because I knew him before. I knew him about like 3-4 years. He cheated on me in January and he cheated on me on my birthday, right? I found out. I told him.
Why me not hear you, Lord? I want to my phone today.
I don't know. Could you hear me now?
Huh?
Can you hear me now?
Me not hear you, but me not hear you, Lord. People not hear New York. Who not hear New York? Eh? No, man, see speaker, yeah.
It's probably your phone. It's probably your phone.
You have your hand over the phone, New York?
No, I have. Hold on. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, me hear, but it just low. It come like on my phone, like it.
It's probably.
All right, New York. Go on talk now.
So, basically, long story short, with my ex, I found out he was cheating. And this is
you ever talk about found out cheating? Look what you do. You think them crazy?
What that got to do with anything? What that got to do with anything, though?
New York, it's hard for me to say cheating where you concerned because you bad.
Because I don't cheat in a relationship. I don't cheat in a relationship. You got to stop mixing entertainment with my personal life. That's what you do.
New York, you're bad, dog. You're bad. New York, you're not a saint, New York.
Okay, yeah, you can make it look how you want it to look. That's the type
of look, New York. I want me know. If you go somewhere and you see Foota hype and you feel like you want to fuck Foota hype, you could have married, you could have padlocked by your pussy, you fuck me and a business. I saw you stay.
But that's your vision on me, though. You don't know me personally to say that. That's
New York. Bumbleclad, New York. Remember me a chapter, and a Marvin will just know you were there. Me know you for just a pulp out, much less bust to blood clot. What you tell me, say? I put
okay, so what does that mean? What does that mean, though?
New York. Now act like you're this girl where love and stay in a relationship and you're bad. You're bad. Stop act like you're this
that does not have nothing to do with my personal life, though. You
accept your badness, my girl, and stop comping life and go like you're saint. You're not a saint. Stop act like you're saint. You're bad. The fuck you talking about?
It may be something personal with you, but I'm ask me a question.
You know that the hunger reason make me feel like you really. You know the hunger reason make me feel like you really like Marvin. Cause you act different just to make Marvin feel. You bad. You not care about nobody's feelings. You fuck who you want, fuck and do what you want. You know business.
You want me to answer your question?
So what you tell me, say?
No.
So hear me, I said.
I don't have to.
Hear me, I said, New York. So why spend so
much? I don't have to answer. You asked me a question.
Why spend so much the 6 grand to the chain and why about the body jar them went by and the breast?
He didn't pay for my breast. He paid for a surgery that I'm going to be doing.
He paid for your ass?
I never got my ass done.
Me didn't think that too. Me never know say you get your ass done, but that's him I say.
I never did. I only got my breast done. So he want his chain back. He want his chain back and his $500 deposit for the surgery because I'm not with him.
Oh.
That's why he wants it back. So he feels jealous because I moved on.
Yeah, he must say Marvin call him phone, not true?
I don't know nothing about this. This is all new to me.
Him say Marvin call him phone, and anyway, him and him goons them see Marvin, he might go bust up him face.
Honestly, hold on. I'm gonna call him right now on this, okay?
Yeah, call him.
Call him. He's so slick. He want hype. Oh my God. Damn. Why black people gotta be like this?
Everybody get famous, all their ex.
Right, he just looking at hype. He trying
to say your sister in attack, true?
No, me and my sister, we talk. We just had a show. We just got disagreements. We talk.
No, me say she and you not good. And she attack up the things them too.
I got a question. You was on live yesterday saying that Marvin called your phone? So
why everybody calling my phone about this?
Everybody's telling me that you was on live, saying that, talking about me and my twin about Marvin calling your phone. Like I'm calling you because we had an agreement. You asked for a chain back that you bought me as a gift for my birthday. You want your $500 back that you paid for my surgery. We clarified that we're ending this on good terms, and I'm getting nothing but.
I don't talk about this, man. I don't give a fuck about this.
Okay, but everybody telling me that you was on live yesterday.
I didn't talk about this.
So you didn't say nothing about Marvin? You didn't say nothing about me?
No.
So you didn't say that you and your goons was going whatever to Marvin? I don't know. That's what I'm hearing.
What?
This is what I'm hearing. That's all I'm trying to tell you. I don't got time. It's just that I told you yesterday we ended on good terms, and you trying to make it a big deal.